There is an extremely mysterious object situated in the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way. It's an incredible amount of matter, probably related to the supermassive black hole in the center of our galaxy. Could it be a cosmic string? An extremely massive object in the form of a super thin thread? Now, for the first time, it was possible to take a high-resolution picture. We've gathered all the important facts about this mysterious object, what it might be and how it might bring dark matter into question once again. Get your science fix right here on Clixoom Science Fiction. A warm welcome.
1, 2.
It was the astronomer Farhad Yousefzadeh from Chicago who discovered the unusual matter accumulation in the center of the Milky Way in 2016. A filament is what we call large coherent structures in the universe. Filum is Latin and means thread, and these matter accumulations are actually made up of thread-like connections. It is probably 2.3 light years long and curves around the black hole called Sagittarius A star in the center of the galaxy. With the help of a new method, a high-resolution picture of this object could be taken for the first time. The photo shows us that the filament must emerge from the black hole, said one of the researchers involved, Mark Morris from the University of California. But how did it actually happen? Already there are 3 theories about this. According to the first idea, the filament could be caused by super fast particles. These are probably thrown out of the black hole. Because when gas gets into the black hole, a vertical magnetic field in cylindrical form can arise, which rotates. In this cylinder, the accelerated particles produce radiation. They rotate around the magnetic field lines and move away from the black hole. For astronomers, this scenario would mean that the magnetic field in such an environment is not chaotic, but even. The second theory is even more exciting. The filament could also be a cosmic string, so an extremely thin object with mass and electrical charge. So far, this is a theoretical construct. A string could not be discovered before today. But in theoretical physics, one assumes that such cosmic strings exist and move in the direction of a galactic center. As soon as it feeds on the event horizon, it could be devoured by the black hole. So if it's really a string, that's the very first discovery of a string ever. Wow, such a string is an absolutely insane object. It would have a diameter that makes it almost one-dimensional. The most tricky part of the smallest atom we know, the hydrogen atom. And its weight would be exorbitant. At a length of 6 kilometers, such a string would weigh as much as the Earth. At a length of 2.3 light years, it would be about 4.7 million solar masses. Wait, 4.7 million solar masses? This is even more than our central black hole Sagittarius A star should have, namely 4 million solar masses. This is really crazy. And once again, I want to remind you that the dark matter particles have not been found, and of course, such extreme masses might again help to find the missing mass elsewhere. Madness. According to the third theory, the arrangement and position of the filament to the black hole could also be a cosmic coincidence. Accordingly, there would be no connection. Then it would be just a filament like any other in the galaxy. But let's be honest, such a coincidence is really unlikely. I think it's all incredibly exciting. Let us assume that such filaments emanate from the central holes in galaxies. That would really be an indication for me that the previous dark matter theory, which is one that has not yet been confirmed, is actually a mistake. Very exciting too. These cosmic strings could actually have something to do with string theory. In 2002, they were actually theoretically predicted. At the end of the formation of our fourth space-time dimension, they would arise in an intergalactic scale. Wow! That is really crazy. Now I'm really curious if further insights can be gained. In theory, the string would have to radiate gravitational waves and it would have to distort the background radiation. The discovery of the filament certainly puts researchers worldwide in suspense. One of Cambridge researchers, John Zhao, said, Part of the thrill of science is to stumble upon a mystery that is not easy to solve. We have no answer, but the road to it is intriguing. Now, if you too are once again up for questioning everything, check out our video on the question if there actually was a Big Bang. Click here for the video. And if you do not want to miss our new videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell. Stay tuned and see you soon.